Hello everyone, in today's video, I will tell you how you can add anyone's reel or anyone's post on your story. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, select any reel or post which you want to add in your story. After that, tap on the share icon. Here you will see the option Share to your story. Tap on this. This video will load here and will remain in your story for some time. Now you have to tap again on this icon. Now tap on share icon. Here you can see your story has been added. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.